simple, rugged, reliable marine band transceiver. An Icom IC-M45 to be exact. New old stock in the box. Ooh. Mind my assistant here. Got the owner's manual, mounting hardware, which we put to the side here. Oh, in case you were wondering, this is the white type. A black type and a white type. There's all your specs there. Cool. Okay. So, this is simple, rugged, reliable transceiver, and we have, take a look at the instruction manual. It should have a date on there. We can see how old this thing is. I imagine this is probably about 30 years old. We also have our Astron RS20 power supply, which I was going to look up and see how many amps this thing draws. I have a feeling we should be just fine with a RS20, which of course is a pretty common, popular supply for good reason. All right, so let's look at our gear here. That's a dummy load with some very rigid coax connected to this transceiver here. We're not going to apply power until we've got it plugged in. Now I am doing this to a dummy load, through a dummy load. I normally don't. I mean, well, I shouldn't say that, but usually I test equipment on the air. But since this is the marine band, that's kind of interesting. I turn it on and it's in scan mode. Okay. How do I make it not be scan mode? Okay. Okay. Here's our mic, HM117W. Whoa. Huh. It's kind of interesting. I didn't know that you could. What? It's got, something like that. It's got the super secret squirrel channels on here. Shouldn't be picking up anything because it's plugged into a dummy load. Yeah, we're not going to transmit on that channel. But let's go to the beginning. So we're on low power. Take a look at the manual here. Okay. Channel switch between regular and weather mode, tag, call channel, try watch. There are press select. Wait, no, press channel WX. Okay, so never mind. So to change channel group, push W channel / WX plus high low simultaneously. Okay. See if I can do this while holding the phone. International. Okay, what have I done? Now we're in international mode. So, off. Okay, press channel WX to select a regular channel. Okay. Canada. Interesting. Those are duplex. Okay. All right, back to USA. Okay. Transmit, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's just, there we go. Okay, so we are in USA mode, channel 1A. Again, this is into a dummy load. No power. Okay. $25 watts, right on the money. Radio. Wow. Again, this is into a dummy load. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello. Radio. Wow. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check. Radio check. Radio check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Radio check. 1. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So the next channel available is 3. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, radio check, channel 1, 3, correction, channel 3. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's, so let's see. Channels 3, 21, 23, 61, wait a minute. Try something real quick. So this is duplex mode 24, which means it is receiving on 161.800.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And transmitting on 15, right? Hello, check, 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 1, 200. So that's, yeah. So 61A, okay, I understand why you're not supposed to transmit on that. That's a public safety frequency. 63 is also 60, okay. In USA mode, that is, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't make sense. 65. Okay, that's a legit channel, 66. So 81, 82, and 83 are the Coast Guard channels. We don't want to be messing with those either. So what's 84? 1, 5, 7, 2, 2, 5.
Yeah, I know you guys are using these channels for hunting.
Turn that off, I'm sorry.
Check, check, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Man, that's some... Hello, hello. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check. I mean, that is actually some... Audio check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio check, check, check. That is some good sounding transmit. Okay. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so that's not bad. Check, check. What? Oh, huh.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Channel 86 Alpha. Radio check. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Channel 86 Alpha. Radio check. Channel 87 Alpha. Radio check.
Channel 87 Alpha, radio check. Channel 87 Alpha, low power. And then 88A.
Channel 88 Alpha. Radio check.
All right, half a watt. Let me just check something real quick. Alright, good. Hello, 1, 2. Alright, so I had a, yeah. So 0, 1. We're not going to transmit on the on 16, obviously. So 61A, 63, or sorry, 64. I just wonder why 63 is allowed, but 64 is not. Or 60. Yeah, 63 is allowed, but 64 is not. Cannot be used by general public in USA waters. The first real channel is legit legal channel 65.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, channel 0, 1 Alpha.
Hello, 1, 2. Man, that just sounds good. Got that 4 kilohertz deviation. Hello. Check. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, well that is that for this part anyway. We're gonna plug it into a real antenna here in a second. Simple, rugged, reliable marine. Love it.